to my cooking channel. Hope you're doing well. What we're going to do today, as you probably see from the description, is going to be two types of sauces for fish and also can be used for meat. But I'm going to incorporate it with a fish platter that I'm going to do as well, which I basically got the idea from a place called Ocean Basket in Cyprus. Yeah, what it is, a big platter of different seafoods with some rice and some chips, and it just looks delicious and it tastes amazing. So I'm going to do something pretty similar, but I want to teach you about these two sauces that I'm going to do. First one is going to be more for like you can use for frying food, fish and meat, and or using it as a marinade as well, which you can leave for half an hour overnight, which gives it an amazing flavour. And the second one is going to be like a creamy version of it, sort of thing. Slightly different, creamier, so you can just drizzle on top of any kind of fish or meat. Both are just amazing, and I'm going to use them all today. I'm going to do a lot of different things, but I'm using the same types of sauces. First, the marinade we're going to use, the sauce we're going to use that can be used for marinade and also when you're frying and cooking the food. Basically, you're going to need parsley. Well, you've seen it on the on the ingredients at the beginning. I've done two ingredients for the first one and the second one. Hi and welcome back. We've okay, it's working now. Right, I've crushed the garlic, both lots. Also done the parsley as well, chopped it into fine pieces. I've basically separated out all the fishes. I've got the mussels here, got the squid, calamari, got the scallops, prawns. What I've done with the prawns, I've sliced it down the back so that it opens up nicely, so that once it's cooked, it's easy to unpeel. Okay, last thing you want to do is be fiddling around too much with it. Little as possible, just looks presentable as well, looks really nice. Got a couple of pieces of haddock as well. Basically go to the pans and cook these bad boys. I can't wait. See you in a minute. Okay, we're ready to do, firstly we're going to do the creamy one, okay? This cream one that we're going to do, you could just pour on top of any meat, any fish, and it will taste delicious. Lovely, creamy, juicy, beautiful. So we'll start with that one. So I've got it on a low heat, so we're going to put the butter in. Okay, the butter's nice and getting heated. I say it's about 40 grams of butter, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 40 to 50 grams of butter. You can add to it, you can take a bit less if you want, depending on how much fish or what meat you're going to put it on. I'm doing quite a big one, big batch, so I do need it. Hold on, Jake. Okay. Now we're going to add the garlic. It's about 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. I might put about 3 and then top it up if I want to. Now we're going to add the lemon, 3 to 4 tablespoonfuls, or teaspoons, sorry, tablespoonfuls. At the moment, I'm just going to put 1 lemon in, and then I'll top it up as I taste and see what it's like. See, so, because I say once you put it in, you can't get it out. There you go. One's probably about 2 tablespoons anyway, if not 3. Okay, so that's that. Keep stirring it so we don't burn the garlic. Now we're going to add the cream. I'll turn it up a tiny bit. Okay, just a tiny bit. Now we're going to add the cream. Say half to a cup of cream. So you can vary some of the ingredients a little bit if you want. Just stir it up. As you can see, it's turning into a nice cream. But we want to thicken it up a bit more actually, so it's going to take a little while. We just got to simmer it. Then we're going to add the white wine. I'm doing 1/4 cup, but I might add to it again. You see it's thinned a little bit now. It's thinned out a little bit, which is fine, because it will thicken up, because we've got to leave this to simmer for about 8 to 10, 12 minutes. Now we're going to add the onion granules. I'm doing 1 teaspoon. I don't really want to put too much more, but I might add more depending on the flavouring. See how it goes. 1 teaspoon of salt granules, onion granules, onion salt it is basically. It's starting to bubble up now, so what I'll do is give it a little taste, see if I want to add anything to it. I'll put the parsley in at the end. Add a taste, I want to add a bit more butter. Okay, as you saw, I've added some more butter. Shortly, I will probably add the parsley because it's simmering up nicely. As you can see the bubbles, it'll start thickening up nicely as well. And it's been about 6, 7, 8 minutes, 7 minutes. A little bit longer, it'll be nice and thick and we'll be done. I've added a little bit more white wine. It's gone a bit thinner now, so again, we'll have to leave it until it thickens up a bit more. Okay, it's almost done now. It's getting thick. I'm gonna add the parsley. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna add, just see how it goes. I think that might be enough actually. Just keep on stirring it. Just a tiny bit more parsley. There we go. Okay, it's been about 10-12 minutes and as you can see, it's thickening up nicely. I think we're there now. That's that done. All done. Okay, now we can do the marinade now for the fish. Put the butter in first. As I'm doing so much, I will probably have to add more to it afterwards, but for now, it should be all right. Olive oil, 1/3 of a cup. Now the garlic, there's about 2 cloves in here. I haven't quite put all of it, but yeah, you can do. Just keep mixing it. I say I'll probably need to add more to it afterwards, but I might add a bit more butter actually. But a bit more butter. I'm gonna add 1 lemon. This one's not gonna have any cream in it or wine. Okay, it's all simmering nicely now. I'm gonna throw the parsley in. I won't throw it all in, just put some of it in for now. As I say, I'm gonna have to do a little bit more because I'm doing such a large amount of fish. Right. Bring up a little bit more to make sure it heats up. Okay, we're just doing one side first and then we're gonna turn it over. Turn them over. Okay, looks like the prawns are all done. So we're going to take them out. Look at that. Oh, this one's lost its head. Prawns done. Okay, now we're going to do the scallops and calamari. There we go. A bit more olive oil because I already used quite a lot up. There we go, a bit more olive oil. And a bit more butter because we used a lot up on the prawns. There we go. I'll put a bit more parsley in. I say normally you wouldn't have to do all this because I'm just doing so many different dishes. I'm going to squeeze a bit more lemon in. Scallops are all done now. So we'll separate that out again. So we're doing bit by bit. There we go. And we'll go on to the fish. Okay, now we're doing the fish. All going to be ready soon. Okay, fish is done. Now we're doing the mussels. Tiny bit of water at the bottom, that's all you need. You just boil it for about 5 minutes and hopefully they should all open up, or most of them will. Okay, almost done. They're all opening up nicely, so they'll be cooked very soon. It's been about 7-8 minutes. As you see, all the mussels have opened up, so it looks like they're all good. If they don't open up, after you cook them, throw them away. Only eat the ones that have opened up, otherwise they could be unhealthy. So just make sure they've opened. If they've opened, they're edible. Okay? I'm just going to leave it plain like this and we can put the sauce on it at the table. So this is all done now. Next one. It's all done. Put it all together. As you can see, I did a Greek salad, which I'll do a video for shortly. Got some rice, got some scallops, prawns, calamari, squid, some haddock, chips, chicken, kebab, beef, mussels, and that creamy sauce. Hope you like it. If you like it, subscribe, like, and you don't want to be in it.
No.
And hopefully see you again soon. Say bye, Jake. Bye. Bye, Cara. Subscribe, like, see you again soon. Take care. See you. Bye.